Have you ever found yourself in need of including the mu symbol, also known as micron or micro symbol, in your scientific reports, mathematical equations, or perhaps in your discussions on physics, engineering, or microbiology, only to be left wondering how to efficiently type it out in Word? Fear not. Today, I'll guide you through several simple methods to seamlessly insert the mu symbol into your documents, whether you prefer to call it mu, micron, or micro. Let's begin with the Alt code shortcut method. But before we proceed, let me bring up the on-screen keyboard for a clearer demonstration. You don't have to also pull up your on-screen keyboard if you already have a keyboard in front of you. However, for this method to work, your keyboard needs to have the separate numeric keypad. But if your keyboard doesn't have this numpad, you may as well open your on-screen keyboard to follow along. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Step 1. Start by pressing and holding the Alt key. Step 2. While holding the Alt key, use the numeric keypad to input 0181 or 230. Any of these two Alt codes will give you the micro symbol. Step 3. Once you've entered the code, release the Alt key. And voila! The mu symbol should appear on your screen. Let's repeat the process again for clarity. Press and hold down the Alt key, then type 0181 or 230 using the numeric keypad, and finally release the Alt key. Congratulations! You've now mastered the Alt code shortcut to insert the mu symbol. Keep in mind, this method requires a numeric keypad. If you're using a laptop without one, don't worry. I'll introduce alternative methods shortly. Now let's explore how to utilize Microsoft Word's symbol library to achieve the same results. Microsoft Word's symbol library, also known as the symbol dialog box, is a feature within Microsoft Word that allows users to insert special characters, symbols, and glyphs into their documents. It provides a convenient way to access a wide range of symbols beyond what is readily available on the keyboard. Here are the instructions on how to use the symbol library to insert the macro symbol in Word. Step 1. Open a Word document and position your cursor where you want to insert the symbol. Step 2. Navigate to the ribbon and select the Insert tab. Step 3. In the Symbols group, click on Symbol, then come down here and choose More Symbols. Once the symbol library appears, go to the character code box and input 03BC. After this step, the symbol will appear and selected, and you need to do now is click the Insert button here. Then close the window. Fantastic! The mu symbol now adorns your document exactly where you intended. Moving on, let's discuss using the character map. This tool allows you to copy special characters directly into your documents. Without further ado, let's proceed with the instructions. Step 1. Press the Windows key and start typing character map. It should appear in the search results. Click on it once it shows up. Step 2. Within the character map, select Advanced View to expand for more features of the tool, including the search function. Type mu in the search box and press Enter to filter out the symbol. You should see the micro symbol in the search results. Step 3. Double-click the mu symbol to input it into the Characters to Copy field. Step 4. Once the symbol gets into the Characters to Copy field, click on the Copy button, and the symbol will be copied into your clipboard. Now, navigate to your document or text field where you need the symbol and paste it there. And that's how you can use the character map to copy the mu symbol. Another convenient method to insert the mu symbol is by utilizing the equation tool in Microsoft Word, particularly useful for mathematical expressions or equations. First, open your Word document and position the cursor where you want to insert the symbol. Then follow the following instructions. Step 1. Navigate to the ribbon and select the Insert tab. Step 2. In the Symbols group, click on Equation, then choose Insert New Equation. This action opens the equation editor, providing you with various mathematical symbols and structures. Step 3. In the Symbols group, click on this small arrow button to expand for more basic math symbols. Step 4. Locate and click on the mu symbol to insert it into your equation. Once inserted, you can format the symbol as needed, and there you have it. By utilizing the equation tool in Microsoft Word, you can seamlessly insert the mu symbol into your documents, especially when working with mathematical expressions or equations. Mastering these different methods offers you flexibility and efficiency in your document editing tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.